Hey friends, welcome back to another video. I am bringing to you another DIY. This time it is for my dining table. My husband is making a huge centerpiece for my dining table, something that I could use all year round. I know what gave me that idea to even think about doing this. So I saw this on a Facebook post and I was like, this is the perfect wooden tray to use on my table for all the seasons, and I can literally do anything I want to do with it. Now, they are expensive. Wooden decorative trays can get pricey. I have a smaller one that I thrifted, but I also wanted a large one just to maximize the space on my table, and that's exactly what this did. If you are gonna attempt to make this wooden decorative tray, it is 3 pieces of wood and then 2 smaller pieces for the sides, and my husband just nailed them together. Then we are also gonna go in and use a stain because I did not want that color from the wood itself. So we're just going in with our floor stain. Yes, improvising, and he's just gonna use it all over the wood to give it a finish. Now you can do 1, 2, 3, as many coats as you would like. We did 2 coats because I wanted it to have a natural, I wanted the natural wood to still peek through the stain, but I wanted to darken it a bit. Is the finished product and I am in love how the wood tones are peeking through, and I love the color that the stain gave. I mean, as I said, this is the same stain we use on the floors in our home, so of course I'm gonna love it. Then I had some extra chair things. I don't remember the name, but I got these from Temu, and I'm just putting it on the bottom because my dining table is glass and I always ensure that I'm protecting the glass on my table. Always start with a clean slate. I can't stress that enough. It just clears your mind. It helps to even elevate the look. So I'm going in with this muslin cloth that I got from Amazon. This is a tan color. You'll see in the end what I'm gonna do with this, but I'm just going in with this, and then I'm adding my beautiful decorative wooden tray to the table. This is the perfect size. The size, perfect. I don't think I've ever seen a large one like this in stores, so I was happy when my husband decided that he's gonna make it for me. Look at this beauty. It's all dried, all the smell is gone from the stain. So perfect. We didn't even measure the pool noodle before putting it inside, and it is the perfect size, the perfect dimension. In my head, I thought I would need it to cut the pool noodle or add more than one, but this one was the perfect size. Now what I'm gonna do, I have these candle holders, that I am gonna stick inside the pool noodle because the look that I'm going for is very elevated. I want candles. However, I'm just using this centerpiece alone on my table for the season. So I want to make sure my centerpiece catches the eye when you walk inside my house. Not like anyone is coming to my home, but for me, just for me and my family. So yeah, so I'm going in and I'm just sticking these candle holders in the pool noodle. Needs a little pressure, but it was not hard. Not sure if you knew, but these candle holders, you can actually unscrew them. I've seen a lot of persons with these ones, and a lot of persons don't know that you can actually unscrew them. Well, the ones that I got from Amazon, not sure if the Hobby Lobby ones you can unscrew, but luckily mine, you just unscrew it. So I'm just using it to pierce the pool noodle. Once my candle holders are in the pool noodle, I'm putting this now inside my tray. And I did space, I eyeballed it, but I did space the candle holders equally amongst the pool noodles. Now, once that is in, I am going in with these picks that I have accumulated over the years. Now, I would say do not use picks, try to use flowers because I think it's less work. The picks, as you can see, you're still seeing the pool noodle, but I had a lot and I could definitely hide the pool noodle. But I think if you buy like florals and cut them down, you'll probably have a more you'd have less work to do. But this was pretty easy for me as well. So whatever floats your boat, this is how I am doing it. The next day I decided to go in and separate. I had like this fall arrangement, so I'm just going in with my wire cutter and I'm just taking this apart and filling the spaces where I'm seeing the orange pool noodle. Once that's done and that's filling to my eyes, I'm going in with my beautiful twisted candles. I'll link those candles for you. Now, behind my dining table, I have this beautiful buffet that I got from Target a few years ago, and I like to decorate it as well alongside with my dining table. So I'm going in with this beautiful mirror from Hobby Lobby. This mirror I was using on my vanity on a table. I created a vanity in my closet, but now I have an actual vanity, so I'm using this mirror here. And I love how the gold ties in. Y'all know these mirrors are in style. The vintage look is what makes it so perfect for the space. And you can see I have a lot of black going on here. It's very bold, so I decided to tie in with some browns. So I'm going in with this wooden riser from Hobby Lobby, and then this beautiful vase from Target, and some florals and picks. Now, the florals are from Amazon. I got them last year, and the picks, of course, they're from Hobby Lobby. I use them for Christmas. Then I'm going in with this beautiful rustic pumpkin, black pumpkin that I got from Joann's a few years ago. I'm also adding these candle holders from my first Temu haul with more twisted candles just to tie in the entire look and complete the buffet table. I know. Every time I'm like, this is my favorite part, but actually this part, I don't know if it's the mirror. Y'all know when you add mirror, when you use mirrors to decorate, it elevates the space. It makes the space look larger. It makes the space look open. I don't know how much more open my home can look because it is an open concept, but I love how that mirror is looking. Now, I have another Temu haul coming up for you, and this time it's all decor, so stick around for that. So So the packages have been delivering, and when I opened this one, I got another black muslin cloth. So y'all saw where I was using the nude one. This time this one is black from Temu, very cheap. I'm gonna have all of that link once I drop the Temu Decor haul video for you guys. And I decided to use the black instead of the nude. I wanted to use both, but it wasn't given, so I went ahead and removed the nude one and just used the black one as the filler for my centerpiece. Y'all are gonna see how it elevates the space and it ties everything in. Y'all can see the black candle holders, the black accent wall, the black buffet table, my black shirt, just kidding. But this black muslin cloth actually elevated it, brought the space up a notch, and it actually highlighted how beautiful this decorative wooden tray is. Now, as I said, this is in my dining area. Again, my home is open concept. So I decided to add this beautiful boucle chair that my friends at Costway sent over. Now, y'all know they sent me another chair the other day. That one, I have it in my living room, and I decided to just put this one right in the corner of my dining area. My toddler loves it. She sits on it and watches her iPad. I like to sit in it and just look outside. So thank you again to Costway for sending over this beautiful chair. We actually love it. It's perfect. I think I'm gonna keep it right there. Now let me know what you guys think about this area. Y'all can see that my dining area is adjacent to my entry area. It's right at the entrance. If you haven't watched that video where I did another DIY, go ahead and catch up with the video before this one. But this is how the space is looking. So beautiful. I have my lights on, I have my sconces on. So beautiful. It screams fall, and I already knew that I wanted a darker tone of decor in my home this season, and I think I'm achieving that pretty well. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I wanted something very modern, very minimalistic, and very chic. Catches the eye. Let me know what you guys think below. I love to hear your thoughts. Oh, and if you're this far in the video and you haven't subscribed as yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Did I just say subscribe to the video? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. It's officially the first day of fall, so I want to be the first to say happy fall, y'all. My favorite season is here. I hope you guys enjoy that part of the video where, you know, I'm showcasing my dining area, and I hope you guys got some ideas as well and enjoy that easy DIY. So I wanted to bring to you my newest baby. I wanted to show you guys this. I wanted a pocketbook or a handbag, you know, that is gonna scream fall, that I can grab for the season. And when I saw these Hermes bag, I was like, you know what, I think I'm gonna rock it for the season. Rock it so well. Very nice pocketbook. It can hold my books that I use, my purse. So I really love it. And the fun part about all my bags, they normally have a longer strap that I can always add to it. So I am loving this cognac color, and I get a nice pocket inside. So absolutely love this bag and the color. I have another bag that has a similar color, I want to say, and I decided to get this in the Hermes because, you know, a girl, fall is her favorite season, so I gotta step out correct, even though I hardly go anywhere. But I do have a few events coming up, so I want to look cute. And to top it off, I have started to be more organized, so I am now using card holders, and I decided to get the matching card holder with this cute Hermes bag. This is Hermes as well, so this is very nice. You can put a lot of cards in it, as you can see, and you also have a button part that you can put coins or cash. So I decided if I'm gonna get this color bag, why not get the color wallet holder, card holder, sorry. I have the black Chanel card holder, and I use it every single day. Like, that's my go-to, and I love it. So I decided to get another one. So these are what I'll be wearing for the fall season, if I ever get out of the house. But I just wanted to showcase that these new items to you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you all in the next video. Remember, it is the first day of fall, so go out there, grab your pumpkin chai lattes or whatever that makes you feel warm and cozy inside. It is that time of the year, and I absolutely love fall. I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye.